now we've added a passage to the Reading Fluency app. How do we organize them and how do we find them? It's quite straightforward. From the dashboard, you can just search by a specific passage or you can find by connections. Connections are like a list of passages that you organize, and you can also filter the passage by the specific grade or the language. And of course, you can filter by the tags. Same thing with the passage type, except now you also will be able to look at the connections here. And you can create a connection like that, or you can add a passage to your connection. This is quite handy for passages that you may want to organize for a specific sequence, for example. In this seasonal benchmark connection, you will be able to move them, so you also can control the order of those passages. Like a passage is for the beginning of the year and the middle of the year. You can use this drag handler to reorder them. And that's passage connections. And once you have those passages, you will be able to start those assessments, just like we went over in our previous tutorials. So that is passage organization.